In this video, I want to have a look a little bit more at loans. So when you're taking out a loan, it's really important to consider all the extra fees and charges that could be come into play on top of the initial amount that you actually want to borrow. So we've been looking a lot at home loans, and I wanted to have a look at those additional fees and charges that exist when you're buying a house on top of the actual price of the house itself. So a couple of things when you're buying the house in this column here are things like building and pest inspections, which can be a couple of $100s each, your legal fees for a solicitor, rates, so you've got to get your water and your gas and your electricity transferred to your name. If you're getting insurance, home and contents insurance, that can cost a fair bit as well. And stamp duty as well, which is a tax that goes to the government when you buy a house, and it can be up to 20 grand. It depends on the price of the house, but it can be fairly expensive. So they're the things that come with buying a house. When you start looking at your actual home loan, you've got to look out for things like establishment fees. So just starting up your account, starting out a home loan, they can charge you for that. Mortgage insurance is a big one. So you have to pay for mortgage insurance unless you have a 20% deposit saved up. Then there's your administration fees, so they'll be ongoing, usually annually or monthly. You can have break fees. So if you've got a fixed home loan, so a home loan rate, you fix that, locked in that interest rate. If you break out of that, they can charge you for that. And if you pay your home loan off early, they can charge you for that as well. So if you've got a 30-year loan and you pay it off in 15 years or 20 years, they can charge you extra for that as well. So it's really important that you take all these things into consideration when you're looking at taking out a loan.